In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple recipients individually in Microsoft Outlook fast, a 2025 guide. We're going to make sure Outlook shows the BCC fields, then compose and send your message so each recipient receives it without seeing anyone else's address. This is perfect for announcements, updates, or anytime you want to protect people's privacy. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing in to your account. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top menu and click File. From there, choose Settings. Depending on your layout, settings may open in a panel or a full page. Both work the same. In the Settings area, select Mail, then open Compose and Reply. Here's the key step. Find the option labeled Always Show BCC and check the box. This ensures the BCC line appears every time you compose a new message, so you don't have to go hunting for it later. Click Save to lock in the change and then close the settings panel or window. Back in your mailbox, click New Mail to open a fresh message. You'll now see the BCC field right under the to line. For sending to multiple recipients individually, put addresses in the BCC field. This way, each person receives your email without seeing anyone else's address, which keeps the thread clean and respects privacy. You can leave the to field blank or address it to yourself if your organization requires something in the to line. Add a clear subject that tells recipients exactly what to expect. Then write your message in the body. Keep it concise and consider including a brief introduction so the email feels personal even though it's going to several people. If you're attaching files, double check that they're the correct versions before sending. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will deliver one message to all the BCC recipients and each person will see only their own address. To confirm it worked, open your Sent folder. Click the message you just sent. You'll see that the list of recipients isn't exposed in the to or CC lines, and the BCC field remains hidden for recipients, which is exactly what we want. A few quick tips to wrap up. Use BCC for newsletters, event updates, or multi-person notices. Avoid placing multiple addresses in the to or CC fields when privacy matters, and keep the Always Show BCC setting on so you don't miss it in future emails. That's it. Fast, secure, and professional.